Assalamualaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again our natural studio. It's a natural studio. It's a natural beauty. Welcome again my natural studio. So some people are saying, some brother and sister told me, brother, what is the difference between American accent and British accent? I'm not understanding the British accent all the time. So what can I do? Brother, tell me what is the difference between American accent and British accent. So in this video I'm gonna share with you what is the difference between American accent and British accent. So there are so many differences between American accent and British accent. So in this video I'm gonna share with you just one point, that is American people all the time they pronounce R. You know R? All time they pronounce R, like father, mother, sister, brother, worker, sir, and daughter. Okay, sister, teacher, they pronounce all the time R, and I love this very much, especially because I catch that clearly. American accent, especially I follow the American accent. I don't know what is your opinion, and what accent do you like? You can like British accent or American accent as you wish, but especially I like American accent because I catch all the things in American accent. Okay, but another thing, the British people don't sound R. They don't make the sound R. They all time drop the sound R. For example, they say father, they don't sound R. They don't sound R. They drop the sound father, mother. It's a crazy things, I think, right? Father, mother, brother, sister, worker, daughter, teacher, and like that there are so many sounds they drop. But in this video I told you just one point, they don't make the sound R, but American people sounds R all the time. That's why I love special American accent, and I understand all the things. And you can also practice British accent if you want to perfect, but I will say you just one thing, that is if you just you can follow just one accent at the first time when you are the beginner life. You are beginner life right now, so you can follow the American accent, and when you will be perfect in American accent, automatically, effortlessly, you will catch the British accent. You will compare the British and American accent, but at the first time you have to know one accent, American accent or British accent. Any accent you have to follow at the first time. Just if you perfect in any accent, then it will be easy for you, and you can compare and you can understand movie, English cartoon video, and another so many different type of videos available online. You can understand easily, and you can also understand native speaker. There are so many native speaker in British in America, right? So they are making sound all the time, American sound and British sound. But you have to learn at the first time one language, one accent. You have to follow just one accent, and when it will be perfect, it will be easy for you, and you can pronounce, you can understand easily. So never think about that. It doesn't matter. You can learn automatically. It will be come out to your mouth. Okay, so which accent do you like? You have to download that kind of video, and you have to listen and again, then we'll be able to perfect with that accent. I listen all the time American accent video. I follow American accent video. I try to pronounce like a native speaker. So you have to make a habit, try to listen that type of video. What accent do you like? If you like British accent, you have to listen British accent video. If you like American accent, you have to listen American accent video. Then it will be easy for you. We don't know what I have to follow, what video I have to listen. It's a British or it's America. That's why we are very upset. We don't know about that. So I told you that. So if you like American accent, try to listen American accent video from today. And another thing, if you like the British accent, you can listen also British accent video. That will be helpful for you. Okay, start listening from now on, from today, if you like British or America. you'll be perfect within short time. So my dear viewers, if you think this video was a little bit helpful for you, it was little bit informational, so never forget to subscribe and share and leave your valuable comment in comment section. So I will see you very soon with another video. Take care, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.